ब्रह्मांडमाविष्कृत्य ज्योतिस्फाटिकलिङ्गमौलिविलसत्पूर्णेन्दुकान्तामृतैः हस्तोकाप्लुतमेकमीशमनिशं रुद्रानुवाकाञ्चपन् ध्याये दीप्सितसिद्धये ध्रुवपदं विप्रोऽभिषिञ्चे शिवम् ब्रह्माण्डव्याप्तदेहाभसितहिमरुचा भासमाना भुजङ्गैः कंठे कालाकपर्दा कलितशशिकला चण्डकोदण्डहस्ताः त्र्यक्षा रुद्राक्षमाला सुललितवपुषाः शाम्भवा मूर्तिभेदाः रुद्रा श्रीरुद्रसूक्तप्रकटितविभवाः न प्रयच्छन्तु सौख्यम्। ॐ नमः शिवाय, ॐ नमः शिवाय, ॐ नमः शिवाय। हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। Harihi Om. Okay, we will chant the 10th Anuvakam. Today, let us chant together 10th one. Anuvaka. Okay. Drape andhasaspate daridra nila lohita yesham purushanam yesham pashunam ma bher maromo yesham kinchana mamatu याते रुद्र शिवा तनु शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृड जीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तपसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिं यधान शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रोतनो मयस्कृति क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छं च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदस्याम तव रुद्र प्रणीतौ मानो महान्तमुत मानो अर्भकं मानवुक्षं तमुत मानवुक्षितं मानो वधीहि पितरं मोत मातरं प्रिया मानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोके तनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान् मानो रुद्रभामितो वधीर्ह विष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते हारात्ते गोग्नवुत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षाचनो अधिच देव ब्रूह्यधाचन शर्म यच्चद्विबर्हाः स्तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदं युवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहत्नुमुग्रम् मृडा चरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मिन् निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्वृणक्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरा मघवध्यस्तनुष्व मीढ्वस्तोकाय तनयाय मृडया मीढुष्टम शिवतम शिवो न सुमना भव परमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरद विलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीना मुखाकृति ओम नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्रयंबकाय त्रिपुरांतकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकंठाय मृत्युंजयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय। हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। Harihi Om. Harihi Om, everybody. We are doing Sri Rudram. In that Namakam, Chamakam, two portions are there. We are doing Namakam. The Namakam has 11 Anuvakas. So far, we have finished up to 9 Anuvakas. First Anuvakam is for Rudra Bhagavan's Prasannata. May Rudra Bhagavan please may take out your Manyu, means anger, and maybe really compassionate towards us. That is the prarthana, first one. Second to 9 anuvakas, almost 8 anuvakas, where we saw sarveshwaratvam, sarvatmakatvam, and sarvamtaryamitvam, means indweller of each and every one. That is what we have seen, means Vishwarupa Sandarshanam. Wherever we see, everything is nothing but Rudra, Rudra, Rudra. That is what we have seen so far. And today we are entering into 10th Anuvakam. 10th section is also again Prarthana, prayer. So this one now, the seeker is seeing everything is Rudra Bhagavan. Now he is asking for May Rudra, please bless us. That's what the Prarthana, prayer is. So now first Anuvakam, Rushi is Pulahudu. And Devata is Rudra Bhagavan. And Chandasu means meter, Astara Pankti, Astara Pankti. So this is how it goes. Now we are entering into first mantram. They are all again Rukkulu. They are called Ruk, Yajusu Rukkulu. And then all of them are, this one is kind of a long one. All the Namaha, Namaha, we have finished almost. Now this is going to be little bit different and long mantras. First one. Drape Andhasaspate Daridra Nila Lohita Yesham Purushanam Yesham Pashunam Mabher Maro Mo Yesham Kinchana Mamat. Now Drape, 3 adjectives are given for Rudra Bhagavan. Hey Rudra, that is the Sambodhana. Now Drape, Dra Shabdam, the word is meaning is Dra Shabdaha Kutsitavasi Kutsitan Gatim Apayati iti Drape. Means what it is he takes out all the Roga Gati means the wrong path or negative path or whatever is not conducive for the seeker. Then remover for devotees, for sinners, whoever has the negative tendency on wrongdoings, for them he gives them this wrong path. Both Drape means that. So that's what means a wrong path for whoever is wrongdoing. This is according to their karma. Karma means their own actions. He is giving the karma phalam, results of their own actions. That is Drape. Andha Saspate. Andham. Andhamulu means, according to Vedic language, it is Annam. Annam means everything is Annam, food. Whatever we intake, we usually think only the grains, rice or chapati. Annam means whatever we see through eyes, that is food for eyes. Whatever we hear through ears, that is food for ears. Whatever we taste, that is the food for tongue. That is how we have to take. Anthasaspate means giver of the food, Annam. And Aishwarya Pradata, both of them. He gives food and Aishwaryam. Aishwaryam means all positivity. And then second one is, he is Aishwaryakari, and then Daridra. Again, he is also poor one, richest poor man. Let us say in English, if you want to call, Antasaspate is the richest man. Daridra is again poor man for common terminology. But what is this? This is interesting meaning. Daridra means, Daridruda means he does not possess anything. Ines or minus, he is Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka. Whole universe belongs to Rudra Bhagavan, but he does not own anything or he does not want anything. Like he just doing because of us, all of us. He is giving only our actions of our own results. That's all. That is why he does not own anything. That is why he is Daridruda. That is the adjectives. Drape Amdasaspate Daridra. Nila Lohita means Neelakanta. Neela means Neelakanta, like a blue color neck. Lohita means red. Means Ardhanarishwara Tattvam is mentioned. Neela Lohita means both are there. His kantham, throat is white. Neelam means blue. And then Lohita means red. His rest of his body is red. So both of them are mentioned. So 4 adjectives are given for Rudra Bhagavan. Drape, Anthasaspate, Daridra, Neela Lohita. So this is the form. Means that is why we need to form is important for our mind to stay focused. So that is why the form is given. And then he does not need anything. He is giving everything to everybody. That is why Daridrat Neelalohita. Why then now the seeker is asking, what is he asking? Esham Purushanam, Yesham Pashunam. Purushanam means whatever belongs to me, my progeny, my Purusha means actually Jiva, individual self also, we can take it. And he is asking, my people, my beings, my children, grandchildren, all of them should be doing well. And Esham Pashunam. Pashunam means all the cattle. Olden days, cows and all of them, they used to have like pet animals. Because Yajnam, that's how they lived their life. Whole thing is like Yajnam. Whatever comes from cows, milk, ghee, everything, yogurt, everything they used to use. That is why they used to have cows as pet animals. Now we have the dogs and the dog houses, dog shelters. We hear dogs. So that's why Pashunam. All of them, what he's asking the seeker, ma bhehi, ma bhehe means please do not scare them. Whatever, everything means protection. Means Shiva Bhagavan never is scares anybody, because he's requesting, may you Bhagavan, may you please with all of us, may you become peaceful. Rudra becomes Shiva. That is the prayer in and through all these whole mantras, whole Anuvakam. Beautiful mantra, and how to live our life, it will mention. And then Ma Araha, they should not be perished. They should stay healthy. They should always be happy. Means this whole Anuvakam is Roganashanam and remover of Daridram. Roganashanam means no diseases. That is why this Anuvakam is very important. Even if we cannot chant 10th Anuvakam, all of them, the message is in and through is this. So all of them should be good. Esham Kinchana means not even mamat, means not even a little bit. They should not get hurt. Who mama, whatever belongs to me, ma pashuna, ma bher maro, mo esham kinchana mamatu. Mo amamat means there should not be any diseases in all of them, because everything will be in good. Pashu Sampada, Putra Sampada. That is why he is Antasaspate, means giver of all the Aishwaryam. So this is what this mantra is talking about. First mantra we saw. So now we will enter into second one. Yate Rudra Shiva Tanu Shiva Vishwaha Bheshaji Shiva Rudrasya Bheshaji Tayano Mrudajivase. Here Roganashana means whatever we think diseases, we think about a doctor. Bheshaji is a doctor and bishop, both of them are Shiva Bhagavan, Rudra Bhagavan, because he is the medicine and he is the doctor, both. So that's why Rudra is the Sambodhana. Means that is what, hey Rudra, that's the seeker is calling to Rudra Bhagavan. Oh, I have to give you Rushi. Rushi is a Skanda and Devata is Rudra Bhagavan. Chandasu, meter is Anushtup. And Teya Shiva Tanuhu. Whatever is your Tanuhu means body. Whatever is your form, whatever is your body, may it be Shiva. Shiva means most auspicious, most Mangalam, Kalyanam, most conducive, positive. May it become. So whatever it is, may it become auspicious, because you are the medicine for all the difficulties. I can surrender to you. That is the only solution I have. This is the way how we live our life is talking about. A whole 10th Anuvakam. Vishwaha Beshaji. For whole universe, not only individual level, totality level. Means remover of all diseases and all poverty. See, Daridra means common understanding is poverty or poor people. But actual Daridram is Bhava Daridram. Means mental, physical, mental, intellectual, psychological, spiritual. So many Daridrams are there. Lacking. I lack in everything. All this daridram, that is how we need to take. So that is why, you are the medicine for all of them. Bhavadaridram is the most difficult one, most harmful. If we do not enjoy or appreciate whatever music or the nature or sunshine, if anything, or satsangs, that is bhavadaridram. That is very difficult to get rid of. Only Rudra is the solution. And then how should it become? Shiva Tanuhu, may it become Shantam, peaceful. And then Shiva Vishwaha Beshaji. That is why 3 types of Shiva he used, because he is the most auspicious, most positive. Whatever you think happy and peaceful, everything is mentioned by Shiva. So Vishwaha Beshaji, whole universe, you are the medicine. And then Rudra is, we have seen already, Rudam samsara dukkham dravayati rudraha, remover of all samsara dukkham, means all the afflictions, sorrows, remover of all that. From mule kuthare, means from the roots, not temporarily, shashvatam, from all point of view, everywhere, remover of that. So that Rudra should become Shiva. Tayano Mruda Jivase. Mruda means Sukham, Anandam, peace, peaceful. That is what Mruda. Even mother name is Mrudani. Mrududu, Mrudani. Jivase means while I am alive, even while I leave this body, as long as I am alive, please give me the happiness, conducive, positive, all, whatever you want. Anything happy, all you put it in there. You are the only one who can give. So that is what this mantra is talking about. And see, this is the, for next one we'll see, this is the individual level. Next one we will see totality also, from a whole, like wherever the people are living, totality level, Vyashti Samishti. That is what called in Sanskritam. Individual and total. So third one we will see that. Imagam Rudraya Tavase Kapardine Kshayadviraya Prabharamahe Matim Yadhana Shamasad Vipade Chatushpade Vishwam Pushtam Grame Asminnanaturam. Rudraya. Again, Rudra is coming. That Rudra should become Shiva. That is in and true message in this Anuvakam. This is whole thing is Prarthana, prayer. So that is how now adjectives for Rudra. Tavase Kapardine Kshayadviraya. Now first one is Tavase, it is mentioned, but Va Varna Viparyaya Nyayam means the letter will become the changed, Viparyaya, changes. That is Tapase. Tapase means Jnanam or Balam, strength, Jnana Swarupam. Rudra is nothing but Jnana Swarupam, knowledgeable. Sarvajñatvam, all knowledgeable. That is what it is mentioned. And Kapardine. Kapardine means Jatajutam. The knotted, matted locks or knotted hair. That is what Jatajutam. Kshayadviraya. And Viraya means most valorous, most powerful. They should get destroyed. Who are they? Kshayadviraya. This is interesting meaning. In us, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Madamatsharyam, one set. And then Ahamkara, Mamakaram, second set. Raga, Dvesham, they are very powerful, very strong. They should become destroyed. They should get destroyed in us and total level, both level. Kshayadviraya, that is what you can do it. To that Rudra Bhagavan, salutations. And how to do it, that process is given now. This is for the seeker. Prabharam Imam Prabharamahe Imam Matim. Imam Mati means this mind. Mati means mind or thoughts. How do we think through our mind? Then Prabharamahe Matim. Bhara means holding. Prabharamahe means prakrishtam, 100% we are holding with our mind to you, O Rudra Bhagavan. That is what, how Nirantaram, always. And we are meditating on you, O Rudra Bhagavan. And we are dhyanam, doing the dhyanam through our intellect. Through tapase kapardine kshayadviraya, to that Rudra Bhagavan, we are doing constantly meditating on that Rudra Bhagavan. And so then what should we, whenever we hold on to Bhagavan, we want to ask something. Isn't it true? There is nothing wrong. He is our mother, father. There is nothing wrong in asking. Never feel we should not ask God. We are not that level yet. Jnani, that's what we have seen. Akinchana, Jnani would not ask. But we are still in Grihasthashramam. We have desires. We want everyone to be happy and healthy. So that is why what is asking Naha Shama Shamasat Dvipade Chatushpade. Naha means to us. In Sanskritam, Naha means to us. Shamasat Dvipade means they all should be peaceful. Who Dvipade means all beings. Dvipade, two, whoever has 2 feet, means all human beings. They should be peaceful. Whoever is living means our near and dear ones, or our children, progeny, friends, relatives, all of them. All people should be peaceful. Chatushpade means all the animals. Chatu means 4, pade means feet. 4 feet, whoever has that, animals. So all of them, they should be peaceful, happy, healthy, because animals they have their own karma phala. That is why, for example, some animals, if they are born in billionaire house, they are, like a pet animals, big movie actors, rich people, they have the collar made out of diamond and they get the organic food. We see that. They get rice, pictures, a photo shoot. And it is very popular too. They get Rajabhogam. Some Janma, they have done something. They get their own seat that is also made out of velvet, most expensive. They fly in jets, aeroplanes, private planes, all that. See, they should be happy too. Some are street dogs. They just get their own karma phala, results of their own actions. People throw, they don't get food. We all know that. They get stones. So that's what they should be happy too, the animals. Everywhere, see, all beings, that is how our prayers, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Everybody should be happy and healthy and peaceful. Not only beings, animals, plants, trees, everything. If they are happy, we are happy. We get good food. So that is what the prayer is. Now, Vishwam Pushtam Grame Asminna Naturam. Whole Vishwam should be, Vishwam means universe, Pushtam means in Pushti. And Grame, wherever that seeker is living, that place. Then Asmin Aturam means they should not have any difficulties or diseases. So that is why beautiful shloka is given. Rudradhyayi vaset yatra grame nagare piva vyadhi durbhiksha choradi kshut pipasadya badha tatra najayate. Wherever the person is reading, chanting Rudradhyayam, or listening, or giving the pravachanam, or chanting, especially this Anuvakam, what happens is that that place or that city or that village, what they will never have diseases, or durbhiksham means karuvu means not having the food, and hunger and thirst, and the choram means the theft, badha, difficulties, they will not have. That is why Shiva Abhishekam, Shivarchana and Rudra chanting is very, very important. Wherever Shivalayam is there, they are protected. Because Shiva Agnya lenide Chimaina Puttadu. We all know that even ant cannot head. Dharmaraj will never do any harm because Dharmaraj is in Shiva Bhagavan's control. That Shiva Nandalahari Shankaracharya really says in beautiful shloka. So that is why everything will become very conducive. Everything is become good. But what to do? We need to do meditation on with our mind. That is the key point. See, that is the totality level, and we have seen individual level, both of them we have seen. And now we are entering into fourth Anuvakam. Fourth Anuvakam, Mrudano Rudrota no Mayaskrudi Kshayadviraya Namasa Vidhemate Yacham Chayoscha Manurayaje Pita Tadasyama Tava Rudra Pranitau. This is also very interesting and very nice Anuvakam, this one. How to live our life. Everything is applicable to us because we need all this. Again, Rudra and Mruda. Mruda again, whoever giver of all the sukham, comforts, joy, and the devotees feels happy. That is what called Mruda. Mrududeshwar. There is a temple, beautiful big temple in Karnataka. And then Mrudani, mother's name, giver of all anandam, joy, happiness. And then Naha means no Mayaskrudi. No means Naha. The Naha to all of us. Mayaskrudhi means what? Mayaha Krudhi means giver of like a Paraloka Sukham in this world. Both. Mayaskrudhi means that while we are living, after we leave this body, we all know body will be they born here, made out of Panchabhutas, space, air, water, earth, and then fire. That everything will go to total space, total fire, total air, total earth, everything. It will perish. We all know that. But what is it going to the next level, next world? That is our subtle body. Means basically I will give you in simple way our vasanas, our tendencies, and our mind. Whatever is we are doing with our mind, that will be carried forward. That is what results of our own actions, that subtle body will take it. That is why it is very important to change our vasanas while we are alive, while we are here. Change our mind, thinking process, or our attitude shift. That's had to happen. That Rudra Bhagavan can do it. Again, Kshayadviraya, this will come again one more time in a seventh mantra also. We saw earlier also, means a remover of all of our sinful tendencies, sinful thoughts. Great power, great strength, who has it? All the negative tendencies. That is what we are asking. We don't ask to take out all our joy or all our good qualities. We will never ask because we want to hold on to it. That is why Kshayadviraya means all that a negative tendency strength should nullify. It should get diluted. That is what we need to take here. And then Namasa Vidhemate, with salutations, with prostrations, we are going to serve you, O Rudra Bhagavan. Namasa is again key point in this. Okay. Namasa Vidhemate. Why Yacham cha Yoscha Anurayaje. Yacham cha means Yat Shamcha. Sukha Swarupam. Sham means always Sukham. Happiness is mentioned by Sham. That Sham Karoti ti Shankaraha. Who does or gives that Sham, peace of mind, is nothing but Shiva Bhagavan. Yom Cha means again hereafter. Both of them are mentioned. And then we get a doubt, question. Did anybody follow this? Yes. Who is that? Manurayaje pita tadasyama tava rudra pranitau. Who Manu means our father, Pita means father. That's why Manu, Manava, we all came from that Manu. Manava is called man in English also. Manu, man. Man, that's why. So this Manu Charitra is also big text is there, but again, this Manu story also we have seen in Devi Bhagavatam. So that is what Manu worshipped Rudra Bhagavan, because he is our Pita, he is our father. We are all following his footsteps because he achieved both those two here while living, and hereafter also we know he attained moksham, liberation. That is why we know it is guaranteed. Results are guaranteed. That is why we are namasa vidhemate. That is why we are praying to you, O Rudra Bhagavan. Please do bless us. May you bless us. May you shower your compassion on us. May you shower your kindness on us. He is always showering. There is no doubt. For example, sun god. He is always showing his gray rays. But when we close our windows or doors, we will not be able to receive. Same way, Rudra Bhagavan is always showering his grace. All we need is an open heart. That's why we are doing the surgery now. This is kind of like a LASIK surgery, piercing through our heart, our mind, questioning our mind. We are training our mind. All that is happening through Rudra, Rudram. So that is why this parampara, even Bhagavan, Sri Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita beautifully how that parampara is given in 4th chapter, 1st shloka. Imam vivasvate yogam proktavanaham avyayam vivasvan manave praha manurikshvakave bravit. I gave this knowledge to Vivasvan, Surya Bhagavan. This Surya Bhagavan gave it to Manu. Manu Bhagavan gave it to Ikshvaku, means Ikshvakula, Rama Bhagavan, Ramchandraji's dynasty, Ikshvaku Vamsham, that Ikshvaku king he gave. So that is how it is continuing this knowledge. So that's why first one is Manu. Through Manu we got all this knowledge. So that is what this we are following his footsteps. This is the 4th. Remember, in and through one message, Roganashanam, Abhaya Pradhanam, and giver of Sukham and happiness. That is the in and through message in all this Anuvakam. And now 5th one. Here, Rushi is Devaratudu. Devata is Rudra Bhagavan. Chandasu means meter is Jagati. Mano mahantamuta mano arbhakam mana vukshantamuta mana vukshitam mano vadihi pitaram mota mataram priya manastanuvo rudraririshaha. Like I said, lot of them, all of them are long mantras. So now we need to see here. Seeker means all of us. We are all praying to Rudra Bhagavan. Naha, to us, what he is asking. Mahantam, first one, so many desires, so many blessings he is asking. Beautiful one again. Mahantam means Vayo Vruddhulu, old people in our house. Mahantam, great people in our house or in the society. They should be protected through old people, through knowledgeable, because they lived their life. They have a lot of knowledge. They went through so many ups and downs in life. They know what is best. They can guide us. That is why they should be always in good position and wealthy, healthy. That is what first one is seeker is asking. Mahantam. Vuta means plus. Plus means end. That is why Vuta, we have to put it for all of them. They should not be Maririshaha. Please do not, let us put that one. Maririshaha means do not really hurt them. Mavadihi, do not destroy them. So in and through that Mavadihi Maririshaha, first one is Mahantaha, great people, old people. Vuta means plus, plus, first one. Second one, Mano Arphakam, all the children, Arphakam, small children like babies, they should be happy and healthy. Please do not hurt them. They should not become disease. They should become disease free, diseaseless. That is the second one. Vuta, again, that goes in and through plus and Vukshanta Muta, third one, means pregnant ladies, Garbhastha Pindam. They should be healthy and happy because they will become future babies. Garbhastha Pindam, it should be happy, healthy. And then Vukshitam, then Mana, okay, Vukshanta Muta, third one, Vukshanta Muta means Yuvakulu, youth, all that youngsters should be happy and healthy. Vukshitam means the babies, pregnant lady, Garbhastha Pindam. And then the fifth one is Pitaram. Pitaram means father. See how beautiful it is with father. Means Mavadihi Maririshaha. Please do not hurt them. I mean, means they should be happy and healthy. Again, Vuta plus Mariyu, Mataram means Talli, mother, parents, first preference, Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atidhi Devo Bhava. Everything is mentioned here. Both Mataram means mother. And then seventh one, Priyaha, means to wife, husband to wife, wife to husband, and then all the friends, relatives, all of the everybody, all beings, everybody, all should be Maririshaha Mavadihi. Please take care of them. Please bless them. O Rudra Bhagavan. With your blessings only, we can live our life, we can continue our life. See how beautiful it is, very, very important for all of us. And then that is the reason we are praying. And sixth one, Manastoke Tanaye Mana Ayushi Mano Goshu Mano Ashveshu Ririshaha Viran Mano Rudra Bhamito Vadhirha Vishmanto Namasa Vidhemate. Again, for this one, Rushi is Bhagavan. Bhagavan, Devata is Bhagavan, means Rudra Bhagavan. Chandas, meter is Jagati. Again, Naha to means to us. Same, Mari Rishaha, Mavadihi. Namasa Vidhemate. I am salutating, I am asking, I am begging you, I am surrendering to you. With Vidheyam, with humility, I am asking you. Oh Rudra Bhagavan. What is he asking? First, Naha Toke, again, means small babies. Pasikandu means just born, newborn baby. That is what Toke means. And Tanaye, own children. Tanaye means all the children, a little bit older. Again, Naha Ayushi. All the Ayushi means long life. Longevity means they should be happy and healthy, prosperous, and then be happy with long life. With long life, what do we do? Do we do wrestling or fight with people? Fight with and kill animals or destroy the nature? No. To serve you, oh Bhagavan, to serve the society, to serve everybody, all beings. That is why we need to ask for long life. Not with that long life should be healthy and with peace of mind. Both are required. And then again, Naha, to all of us, this whole thing goes Mari Rishaha Mavadihi. Naha, to us. Bhuta means A and D and plus. We can add, that is what? Again, people wise it is done. Now animals wise. Goshu, go means cows. Then Ma Ashveshu. No, naha ashveshu. Naha means to us, ashveshu means horses. And then Viran Mano. Viran, we have seen whatever is strength, strength should stay away, positive should go away. Whatever is strength, strong tendencies, negative tendencies should go away. Strong positive should stay. That is how we should take Viran Mano. Why? Because Bhamitaha, this is the key point. I'm giving you key point in each mantram. Bhamitaha, because I am not following the prescribed path, or I am not doing my prescribed duties, means swadharmam. Then you got angry. But please, I will follow the scriptures. I will follow the dharmam. That is why may you become happy. May you become anger free. That is what, because I have decided to follow the Veda Margam, follow the right path. That is what Bhamitaha. And then Vadiha Vishmanto Namasa Vidhimate. With namasa means with namaskaram, with vidhimate means humility, with surrender bhavam. I am doing the sharanagati to you, O Bhagavan. It means do's and don'ts, both are mentioned here. Means before I became seeker, I did not follow the Veda Margam. That should not be done. Do's, I should follow the Veda Margam. I should follow the scriptures path, whatever Mahatmas mentioned. That I'm surrendering to you, O Rudra Bhagavan. Please take care of us. Give us, all of us, joy, happiness. That is the 6th mantra. Now 7th mantra. Arate gogna vuta purushagne kshayadviraya sumnamasmete astu. Rakshachano adhicha deva buruhyadhachana sharma yachad vibarhaha. Here, Deva means Rudra Bhagavan. We all know Deva, Devata, we hear that. Deva means Jyotanat Devaha, Danat Devaha, means illuminators. Prakasha Swarupudu, Devata means. And then giver of everything. They give away everything. That is why Vayu Devata, Agni Devata, Bhu Devata, Jala Devata, because they are all giving to us. They are nurturing us. They are supporting us. That is why we call Devata. Illuminators means, Go means Indriyas also. They are illuminator capacities given by Rudra Bhagavan, Devatas. That is why eyes have presiding deity, Surya, sun god. Mind has a presiding deity, Chandrama. Like that, each organs of action, each organs of perception has presiding deity. Illuminators, Deva means that. And now again, Naha Raksha, please protect. Naha means to all of us. Keep on repeating that, because this no or Naha, that word no means Naha. This comes a word, this letter comes a lot in our Vedic language. All Raksha means protection. And Vibarhaha. Vibarhaha means here and hereafter. Both worlds may they become prosperous. The Vruddhi means they should become very in high level. Everything we should be conducive. That is what the seeker is doing prayer for himself and for everybody else also. First one, Gogna means go. Again, cow is the, a lot of meanings are there. We have seen that before also. Go means cows. That is common understanding. Go means our organs of perception also, Indriyas. Means, please, they should not bother us. Go means earth also. Wherever we are staying, it should be happy, conducive, positive. Gogna. Vuta means end. Purushagne means jiva. Means individual level. Means physical level and mental level. everything should be conducive. All they should not himsa, they should not hurt us, because individual should be happy, society should be happy. That is the prayer. Kshedviraya means, again, third time it is coming. We have seen that all the positivities should stay, and then negativities should go kshaya, that should go away. Then positive will come up. Actually, when the negativities goes down, positivity come up. That kshaya means it goes away. May Rudra Bhagavan give the protection, bless us. Why? Sumnam asmete astu. May you become sumnam means always mangalakaram, auspicious. They should not bother us. They should become auspicious to all of us. Because raksha means protection. Then adhibruhi means, may you make myself as your friend. May you speak that this person belongs to me, because now I became a devotee of you. That is what all the devotees ask. Ramunivaram memu. Like a Rama should say that. So, oh Rudra Bhagavan, you should say that I belong to you. That way I get extra protection. Like usually common people will say that Vaddinchevad Manavadaite, and that's what, if whoever is serving, if they belong to us, if you know them, they give, okay, take more, they say that, if you know them, right? Same way, please, O Rudra Bhagavan, think I belong to you. That is what Adhibruhi. And then Adhibruhi Adachana Sharma. Sharma again is giver of Sukham, happiness. Yachat Vibarhaha, here and hereafter, both of them, both way. Moksham also, third level is Moksham. Means Moksham is right here, or Krama Mukti. Slowly achieve that Moksham. So both of them are, we can take both of them. So this is the 7th mantra. And now we are entering into 8th mantra. Here again, Vaku, the speech, and Antaratma, through mind, both. Seeker is telling to his own mind, his own speech. Both of them, what to do, he's talking about. Stuhi Shrutam Gartasadam Yuvanam Mruganna Bhima Mupahatnumugram Mruda Jeritre Rudrastavano Anyante Asman Nipavantu Senaha. Asman Nivapantu Senaha. Here again, Rushi Vayaghrudu, Devata Rudrudu. Chandas means meter, Trishtu. Stuhi means do the stotram, telling his speech and mind. Please do the stotram, do the chanting, worship or praise Rudra Bhagavan. Now, who is that Rudra Bhagavan? Qualities are given, adjectives. Shrutam means one, first one. He is the Loka Prasiddhudu. Even we will know him through Vedas. Vedas are also praising Rudra Bhagavan. Everybody knows about Rudra Bhagavan. That is what Shrutam. Where is he? Garta Sadam. Gartam is cave. Means whoever is in the depth, in depth. That is nothing but in our heart. He is residing in our heart. That is the Lotaina Pradesham. What is in very much in depth? Our heart. Nobody knows our heart. Garta Sadam. Hrudayam, no, he is staying in our heart. And he is Yuvanam. Always Nitya Yuvanudu. Means always in youth. That is what we see in Dakshinamurti Stotram also. Mauna Vyakya Parakatita Parabrahma Tattvam Yuvanam. That Parabrahma Tattvam, whenever is expressed, that is nothing but Dakshinamurti. That is all youth. He is very like 16-year-old. All the students are old people. He didn't even say one word. but everybody understood and they left quietly. That is how Dakshinamurti prayer Stotram prayer starts. So that is 3 adjective. And then 4th one, Mruganna Bhima, Mupahatno Mugram. And he is also, he looks like a very fearful, ferocious. Mrugam here means lion. It's not sleeping lion. Sleeping lion will not do anything, will not attack. He is ready to attack the enemies of this Rudra devotee of Rudra Bhagavan. Ugram, nobody can defeat him. That is why, that is how he is giving. His form and his qualities are given. And then Mruda Jaritre Rudra Stavano Anyante Asman Nipavantu Senaha. Then Jaritre means my body is perishable. That body, please, Mruda here is Anugraham. Please take care of this body and mind complex, body, mind, intellect complex. Please bless us. Shower your compassion. And then all your senas also, with your shaktis, with your powers, please bless us, all of us. That is the here. And then all of them, please take care of. Nivapantu means all our enemies should go away, but I should get protected. Enemies means never think in the wrong way. Whatever is bothering us, all our, we have seen Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Matamatsarya, and then whoever is disturbing in our sadhana, they should be gone. That is how the stuti is, the seeker is doing. Now 9th one, Parino Rudrasya Hetir Vrunaktu Paritveshasya Durmati Raghayoho Avastira Maghavadhyas Tanushva Mead Vastokaya Tanayaya Mrudaya. Again, Rudrasya Durmatihi. First we will see Rudrasya Hetihi Naha Parivrunaktu. Hey Rudra Bhagavan, all your Hetihi means Ayudhas. Ayudhas means weapons. All should be protect us. They should be protected. I should be protected by those weapons. They should not hurt me. You know, that's what this prayer, right? That is how it goes. Rudrasya Durmatihi. Rudra Bhagavan's anger. Durmatihi means Bhagavan is always a Surut. But whenever we go wrong way, stray away from sadhana, that is become Durmatihi. To put us in the right path, he gets angry, gives us bad experiences. That should go away. Naha Parivrunaktu. May you bless us in all directions, always, everywhere, everything. That is the prayer. And then how that anger is Tveshasya, means he is a really fearful anger. That is how the form is Rudra Bhagavan's form. And then Aghayoho means remover of all sins. So that means please remove all sins, wrong thinking, negativities from us in the society also, and then protect all of us in all directions. And then again, specifics are also mentioned. Unless we say specifics, we will not be happy. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu we say, but still we ask, I should feel good, my children should be happy, my house, my place, all that, nothing wrong. That is what now is coming. What is that? Tokaya. Mead was Tokaya. See, Midva means he is a showering all blessings, desires everything. That is what Midva, that is also Rudra Bhagavan's name. Midushtama, next one is also coming. So that's why Tokaya means all my grandchildren. Tanayaya means specifically children. From all of them, Mrudaya. Mead Vastokaya, Tanayaya, Mrudaya. All of them, children, grandchildren, everybody. May you shower happiness. May you bless them. May you make them happy, peaceful, disease-free. And all that the seeker is asking. And now Okay, let us see. We still have 3 more minutes. I can do one more, 10th one. I will do the 10th one because that same process will do 10th one. Midhushtama Shivatama Shivona Sumana Bhava Parame Vruksha Ayudhanidhaya Kruttim Vasana Achara Pinakam Bibrada Gahi. This one is same Rushi, Chandas and Devata, both of them. Rushi is okay, Vayaghrudu, Devata is Rudra Bhagavan, Chandas is Trishtu. Okay, now Midushtama means shower of showering the desires, all positivity, and giving the shower means fully immersed with that happiness. Giver of boons, all that, Midushtama. Shivatama, superlative degree, all auspicious, all Shantam, all peaceful, superlative. Taratama, we use that. Good, better, best, best in everything. That is why Shivatama. Shivona Sumana Bhava. Oh, Shiva Bhagavan, Rudra Bhagavan, may you become anger free, may you become Shantam, Sumana, become good mind towards me and to society, to all of us. And then he's requesting, beautiful request here. Parame Vruksha Ayudham Nidhaya. All your weapons, please put it on the big tree. Parame Vruksham means Vata Vruksham. Keep all of them there, means Trishulam. All the pointing the weapons, keep far away. Keep it in a tree near Kailasham. I don't want to see in that form. But one thing is, where Kruttim Vasana, where tiger skin, Charmambaradhari, where that one, no problem. I like to see that form. And Achara Pinakam Bibradagahi means where hold the Pinakam means bow and arrow. Hold that. Keep that weapon. Pinakam means bow and arrow. Keep that. But Trishulam, trident, keep it far away. Why? Because that is the beauty. See, that is why whenever we say Rama, without weapons or ayudas, just walking Rama, we do not say. We always see with bow and arrow, Kodanda Rama, we see that. Even Vanavasi Rama also, we see as a Kodanda Rama, keeping the bow and arrow. So that is beautiful form I want to see. So trident, keep it. All the ferocious, all the big ones, keep far away, but you can hold the pinakam and the bow and arrow and wear the tiger skin. So I would like to see you in that form, because you are the most auspicious, most peaceful. That form I want to see. So that Shiva, may you bless all of us, not only me, individual one, bless whole universe, all beings. With that, we are going to conclude 10th Anuvakam, 10th mantra. Because we will see rest of 12 mantras are there in this Anuvakam. We will see them next week. I'm going to conclude here. This Anuvakam is for disease-free, Roga Rahita, and Abhaya Pradata means giver of fearlessness. Both of them, giver of peacefulness, giver of Sukham, happiness. All that is mentioned in this Anuvakam, how to live our life, what to do, what not to do. Both of them are mentioned here. With that, I am going to conclude. Namaste astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trayambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikagni Kalaya Kalagni Rudraya Neelakantaya Mrutyunjayaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Sriman Mahadevaya Namaha. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Harihi Om, everybody.